stand on the skateboard. I'm Marilyn Massacre!
And I'm Rebecca Romance!
And we're gonna skateboard! You got brains all over my skateboard! Oh my god! I swear this has point to it. It doesn't have a point. We're going to attempt going down the hill while sitting on the skateboard.
Your ass isn't showing. There goes our little girl.
Becca! Oh!
Kinda need shoes.
That was Marilyn Massacre! That's Becca Boatwright! Whoa!
Look what I can do.
Whoa! Ah!
I need my stunner shade.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And I guess I'm not getting shoes.
No, you're not. Here, you get one shoe.
Okay.
Here. And action! My big butt is in the way.
You gotta push me.
What kind of push is that? I tried! Ah! Yeah! Ew! All over my brand new Panic at the Disco shirt. Oh my god! It's Rebecca Romance! Oh my god! Look at that beast! Becca, get up the hill! Back up, back up, back up, back up. Come on. Come on now. Come on now, come on, come on, come on now. Ah!
Rebecca Romance!
And I'm Marilyn Massacre!
Sign it out!
Yeah! Do I push the button now?